and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another, let's say, big haul, and this is mostly winter stuff that I bought over this past month or month and a half, so there might be some autumn collections too. So without further ado, let's get into the haul because it's gonna take a while. For no reason at all, I'm starting from the shoes because I only have two pairs, and these are the boots that I bought in Mango. I really wanted these suede camel color shoes because I mostly have all black winter boots, and I wanted to have something different, and also I got a coat that goes perfectly with these shoes, so I definitely wanted them. I bought them in Munich when I went to visit my brother, and I really like them. As you can see, this heel is quite stable and they are not too high, so you can wear them every day, and I really like them. The second thing I got, and it's not necessarily winter, I think sneakers can now be worn all year long. So these are the Nike Court, I think it's called. I really like them, and I like the fact I like my sneakers a bit higher, even though I am high. I really like these because they are simple and they look good on my feet. My feet don't look too big in them or chunky, and I really needed basic white sneakers, so this was a perfect fit. This is my favorite. I'm going to wear them all year long. So let's get into the clothing, and I'm going to share my coat first because it's too big, and definitely I will need to include a clip where I wear it so you can see it, because you can't see anything like this. So I got it in H&M, and it was the last size available. Anyway, the coat is amazing. I love wearing it, and it's super warm, and it's a bit longer, so it's definitely something that I need because I always get the short coats, and every winter I don't have a long coat that I can wear on dresses and skirts, etc. Okay, so let's get to the rest of the stuff. Now, I do want to mention bodysuits that I got, I think, end of August, and this is one of them. This is from H&M, and this is something that I wish I got in every color. It's super cheap, it's super soft and comfortable. You can wear it every day, you can wear it to dress it up, dress it down, and it's something amazing. I just got this color and I got the black one, but I'm so sad that I didn't get the dark brown and white one because they were also amazing, and I've been wearing these for a while now, and this is my go-to outfit when I don't know what to wear, and I absolutely love them. So recently I've been mostly buying stuff in H&M. I don't know why, because for a while I couldn't even find something in H&M that I like, but recently it's all been H&M, so far this has all been H&M. So next thing that I got, sorry that it's not ironed because I wore it and washed it, but you know, sorry. So this is the Mickey Mouse hoodie. Has the hoodie in the back, and this is just something that you can wear on leather leggings or jeans or jogging pants, whatever. And I really wanted a hoodie, and I must say it was a bit bigger, but I don't think it was a bit bigger, but I think I kind of shrinked it a bit in my in the dryer. So, but it's still a good size. It was a bit too big for me anyway. So, yeah. The next thing that I got is also H&M. So this could also be an H&M haul, but with few exceptions. So I got the basic turtleneck shirt or top, and it's super soft. They have many colors of this turtleneck, and I also got the black one, and as you can see, the material is really light and you can always wear it under something warmer, and this is a cute staple piece or a basic part of your wardrobe that you can always wear in the winter or even in the spring and autumn. I think I'm gonna call this haul an H&M haul Another H&M piece, and this is the sweater from H&M. As you can see, it has a nice opening here, square, how do you say, collar or opening? I don't know. And it's a bit shorter. I'm going to include a clip where I do try it on, but it's very soft, it looks super nice, and it's also something that you can dress up or down, for example, a nice dinner out, or you can also wear it as a lounge piece. And recently I have only been buying stuff like that because I noticed that whenever I open my closet I don't have anything to wear, because mostly I go for stuff that has something on them and it's not super basic, and later I can't combine those things with anything I have, so I've been going for basics lately. Another sweater that I got from, you guessed it, H&M, is this gray white, like a gradient sweater, and again, super nice material. I love the materials lately in H&M. They are super comfortable, and I love wearing something that's not too scratchy or, I don't know, too clunky on my skin. And this is another great basic piece that you can wear on pretty much anything, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so to bring a little bit more diversity in this haul, so it's not all H&M, I got these jeans in Pull&Bear, and these are the wide leg jeans. Just a moment. Okay, he's a natural. So anyway, I don't have many wide leg jeans, so these were perfect for me, and I just wanted to get them so I have a bit more diversity in my closet, so I can wear them, for example, on the shoes that I bought, etc. So yeah, I like these jeans very much, and like I said, I'm going to include a clip of me wearing them so you can see it. Hi! Hey! How you doing? Do you want to be on camera? Okay, yeah. No photos, please. And I have two more things to go, and this is one of them, of course, H&M. And this is a skirt that I got, and I have to say this is size S, or I think 36 in Europe, and it's a smaller size for me. I do usually wear M or 38, but this was the last piece and I had to have it because this is something you can always wear in the summer, in the winter, in the autumn. And I have a similar skirt from H&M that I bought I think 2 years ago, and that's something you can always wear. And the last thing that I got is a bag, shoulder bag, or you can wear it like this, and it's not too big of a bag, but I really like that it has silver parts and also the gold ones, so you can always combine it with other stuff that you are wearing. For example, sometimes my belts don't go with the bags or the hardware in the bags, and that really annoys me, but I really love it and I've been wearing it a lot lately. I don't know why, because I don't know, I feel a lot lighter when I have like this small bag, because I know I won't be buying stuff and putting it in stuff that I don't need, or carrying stuff that I don't need. So yeah, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I didn't get anything else worth mentioning. I do plan on going through the sites to check out the Black Friday sales, so if I do get something, I will definitely film a whole video. For now, I don't think I need anything. I'm kind of overdosed on shopping, if that is even possible, so maybe I will film a cleaning out video, sorting everything in the closet, so you can see what I will throw away or keep if you're interested in that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, whoever is watching, thank you, and I will see you in another video. If you're new here, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate that, and again, thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!